In this guide, you'll learn how to fix WhatsApp not working or opening on Windows 11. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is launch your settings. Now navigate to the section Apps. Then click on the option Installed Apps. Now search for the app WhatsApp. Once app appears, click on three dots. Then select the option Advanced Options. Now here you're going to find this section of permission. Under app permission, make sure all permissions are enabled. If that does not fix the problem, click Terminate to stop WhatsApp and all related processes. Then try opening it again. If the issue continues, click Repair, which fixes the app without deleting any data. If WhatsApp is still not working, click Reset. Keep in mind that this will delete the app's data. As a final solution, uninstall WhatsApp completely. Then open the Microsoft Store, search for WhatsApp, reinstall it, and launch the app. With these steps, your WhatsApp should work. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.